Hello, Viv the Caribbean team. Welcome to Construction Zone, Selling the American Dream.
Hi, this is Neville Smith.
Today we are here at MI Homes Community Sanctuary at Twin Waters.
This place is gorgeous. If you're looking for a home with either a view off the lake or being actually on the lake, man, this is the place to be.
Home size here are starting from $2,500 all the way up to $4,700, and price starting anywhere from the high $500 through $1 million ranges, depending on, once again, the model and the location.
This home that we're in, it's over $1 million, and Vic, it comes with an infinity pool.
Yes, it does.
It is gorgeous, man. I can't wait to show it to them.
That is really awesome. This community has 108 homes. At this point, there are only 18 left to be built. 9 of the properties left have lake access, and 9 only have lake views.
Currently, buyers have an incentive of $17,500 for design center and $5,000 in closing costs if you use the builder's lender.
Correct. There's 5 acres of community space, which includes swimming pool, playground pier, and a view of the beautiful lake.
Currently, the HOA dues are $150 a month, and that includes taking care of all the common areas.
Thank you for tuning in to Construction Zone. Remember to comment, share, like, and if you have any questions, be sure to leave them below. The first 10 people to text me Twin Water at 321-231-8487 will receive a free gift.
The perfect Caribbean team selling the American dream.